Hey guys, I am coming to you from my kids' room to show you this new fan that we got them that they absolutely love. What I'm holding in my hand here is the remote, which has all of the options on it for the fan that we are going to be showing you. And that includes brightness options. I'm sure that's going to look a little weird on camera, but as I'm turning the temperature of the fan up, I can actually change the temperature of this entire room. See how different I look? Just by pressing the temperature options, and there's many to choose from. There's also brightness and dimmer options, timers, and two different types of fans. There's both nature, and then there's forward and reverse, and I think the other one is called standard. And then there's different speeds, 1 through 6, but let me show you what my kids love the most about it. They've named their fan Bubba. Hey Google, turn Bubba on. Watch this. So this fan is actually voice activated. It is a circle fan that blows air straight down and it keeps the air circulating in the room. And the voice activation feature on the Google is actually one of my kids' favorite options about the fan. Now from Google, you can do the majority of the things that you can do on the remote. However, I prefer remote. I'm old school. My kids like to use their voice. Hey Google, turn Bubba off. So, as you're turning the fan, you can also change the temperature. You can change the speeds from Google. You can change the speeds right here. The fan itself, it has like the blades are more of a plastic style material. They're a see-through blue, and the LED lights all the way around are really nice. They can get really bright or really dim depending on how you're planning on using it. I'm going to change that temperature one more time. And again, don't forget that you can set the timer and all those things. We love this fan. We've been using it here at home for several weeks. The kids absolutely love it. I know you're going to love it too. So if you're interested in that, you want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.